and good afternoon everyone. I am myself Dr. Gausia Syed. Today I am going to present about the role of homeopathy in alopecia. In alopecia means loss of previously existing scalp hair fall. Means there is a hair fall where already the hair was present and that looks give a very ugly looking. See, in the allopathic line of treatment, we have a cosmetic corrections and intralesion steroids and very expensive treatments are there. But if you will see in homeopathy, if you will believe in yourself, only a proper case taking and knowledge of homeopathic materia medica and proper case taking with especially with Kent repertory, where I have found page number 120 in Kent repertory. If you will just go through with that half page, you will get an excellent result with homeopathic result. Usually in Kent repertory, I have found n number of polygamous remedies, but especially in my cases, I got very good results with sulfur, natramnue, phosphorus, lycopodium, staph, and also vinca minora. Though the vinca minora, we hardly use it, but I have seen excellent result where I have seen काले बाल गिरते हैं और सफेद बाल आते हैं. That is given in the Fatak materia medica. My aim is to role of homeopathy in the treatment of alopecia. My objective is the role of homeopathy medicine in the prescribed form of giving a constitutional homeopathic remedy and to know the miasmatic background. Because miasm is also very much important. My methods is usually this case series is the experience of near about 19 years. So I have taken more than 700 patients of hair fall where I got a very good results in that. My case series is conducted at CMP Homeopathic Medical College in Mumbai and Holy Spirit Hospital in Andheri, Mumbai. And plus this is in my private clinic at Shakuntala Hospital at Mumbai, Andheri. This diagnosis of alopecia is done with all routine investigation whenever the investigation is required. Maybe if it is an advanced pathology or maybe a minor anemia causes are there. This usually I have used, as I said, it's a Kantian approach and case taking with the proper knowledge of homeopathic materia medica. Since I found a very good result and encouraging result with this homeopathic individualization and remedy, I came to the line of treatment of homeopathy with the auxiliary line of treatment. Mind way, if only homeopathic medicine will not work unless or until you will give a proper auxiliary line of treatment. Here I will present one case, like it's a 22 years male patient came with the complaints of alopecia areata, especially on the vertex and temporo, and the hair fall is usually started since last 3 to 4 months. He was a international Sudoku champion where he wants to go ahead and ahead. After repertorization, I come to the remedy that is lycopodium. And within 3 months, you can see the results. Actually, the results has come in the 3 months, but I have taken photograph after 5th month also, so you can make out the difference. That is the first, that is alopecia areata, hairs are coming out, that is the anagen, catagen and resting period, that is a androgen. Plus, and usually in this case series, I have seen that potency was in a higher potency because usually the mind affects the body. And that is tandem potency, I found a very good result with that. Second case is a 7 years bachu which came with the hair fall, and that miasm was a tuberculum miasm. Here the bachu you can make out is a very simple remedy, that was a tuberculum, because in the clinic you can make out that bachu was here and then typical tubercular miasm. Means only one remedy, if you will track it, yeah, this is a key point and you can just prescribe the remedy and you will get the result. Again here the tuberculum 10M was given and the result is in front of you. Next patient, here the patient came again with the hair fall with occipital region, and I have prescribed the staph. After taking a case taking, because the staph phenomena was coming out, and I have given the staph 10M TDS for 7 days, and after 3 weeks, after 3 months, you can see the results. Next, again, this is a 7 years Bachu which came with the right parieto-temporal hair fall, and the medicine was prescribed for tuberculum mild, tuberculum 10 TDS for again for 15 days. 15 days, and you can see the results. But usually the results are coming after 3 to 6 months. Which after 2 weeks, I kept on the placebo, and with the auxiliary kind of proper treatment, which they can have a proper diet, regime, therapy. Usually, now the common remedies. The common remedies which I have seen in alopecia, that is natramine, sulfur, phosphorus, silicea, fluoric acid, Oramet, and lycopodium. See, phosphorus, usually you will come to know that phosphorus, where the handful bunches are coming out. If you will see the repertory in the CAT repertory page number 120, again this all are the symptoms are there with good results. Just have a faith in you and just give a remedy. According to Dr. Henneman, he treats and he will cure. So if during parturition, if the remedy comes, that is sulfur and lachesis. During menopause, though menopause is a lachesis, but then the remedy comes sepia. And during abortion, though the abortion the remedy is supposed to become sepia, but in CAT repertory is given lachesis. So we are given lachesis. So according to that, you can make out the remedy and just have a faith in yourself and in repertory and see the results. Even in the Oramet, I still remember because I have started 19 years back when one of my friend, she got a full alopecia areata and she used to take a steroidal injection in her scalp, and because of that thing, because of the steroid, she was getting hirsutism and she wants to do a suicide. Suicidal thoughts were coming out. That time I was totally new, I was not aware, I was not having faith in myself. I just opened the repertory, that was, still I remember the page number, that page number was 240, and here the remedy was Oramet and Kalika was there. And since I was not having faith in me, I have given alternate dose, that is Oram and Calcarea Cup, and after 3 weeks, the hair was started coming out. So you just believe it and see the results. Here, again the potency, what I have already told you, usually in hair cases, because it's a mind affects the body. So usually psychosomatic disorders, so tannin potency was given. In my 700 patient, usually the female, 60% female patient has come and 40% male patient has come. And with the age group, I have divided in 7 to 12 years, 13 to 30, and 31 to 50 years of age. Where I got an 80% cured result, fully cured result, 10% I got partial improvement, and 5% dropped out and 5% was SQ. My limitation is, of course, the alopecia totalis, alopecia universalis, low socio-economical status, because अगर खाने को ही नहीं रहेगा तो हाँ, the patient will get a good balanced diet. आप कितनी भी दवा दोगे, nothing will help out. So balanced diet has to be there with good amount of food, nourishment and air, and with mind satisfaction and happy going feeling. Second, my another limitation is due to age. Due to age means usually the after menopause and old age limitations are, the scope is less. And of course the last is a lifestyle disorder, because nowadays lifestyle disorder is very much common, and because of lifestyle disorder, sleep pattern is not proper, appetite is not proper, working shift duties, managing targets is not getting proper. So due to stress, lifestyle disorders will give up blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes and hair fall. And last, due to our advanced pathology like CA advanced. Okay, thank you so much.